I hope you all are doing well, and I just thought today that I will be introducing TypeScript React generic components, how to make a React generic component with TypeScript. So this is my main file. You can see we have an H1 and H1 of cars and cities. Next, I have my data. So one array is the cars and the other array is my cities. You can see both have different, like these, both the data, the objects are different. One have an ID, name and photo, and the other one has name and country. And I will use just one. I will make one component which will display this and the cities and the cars. So let's start writing our generic component. First I need to write an interface. List props. It will take a data, but first we need to pass the TypeScript generic. Our data will be type of T, and our render will be a function which will return, which will take the T object and return React node. So this is our component. Here I am going to select T extends unknown, and here the list props type of T. Now I have my data and my render function. Next, let's map our data. So data.map item comma index, and I will return a div. Inside this div my key will be index.toString. I also need to give some styling so that you can see it will have a background of yellow, a height of 200 and a width of 200. I also need to display will be flex direction will be column, and line items will be center, and justify content will be space around. So here inside this div I am going to call my render method and pass the item. So that's all with the component, you can see. And next I will come to my app file, and I already have the list, cars and cities imported, so I will start calling my component, and data will be cars. I will use my render function. We know that it's returning, it's giving us the item. So let's do a React fragment, and here img, this will be an image, the car's image, the source will be equal to item dot. Now you know TypeScript, you can see TypeScript knows that we have a photo property and our cars object. Let me, sorry, I put an E. Height will be like, you can see it's not showing anything yet because I didn't save it. Height will be 100 pixels, and my width will be like 150 pixels. I also need to, so h3 and it will be item dot name. I also want to display my ID, so it will be item dot ID, and just like this. So you can see, let's give a list, a margin top 10. Now you can see that my cars are printed out. It's not a good design, but I just want to show that how can you make a component, the same component, and you can like display different data. So these are the cars. Let's write another. This was my component, my generic component. I will again my list, call my list, and this time the data will be cities. I will call my render. Here I have the item. I will return an fragment, and here I need to h1, inside the h1 item dot name, so it will print the city name, and I will get an h3 and item dot country. So you can see now this is the same component, and here I'm using it to display like a photo, an ID, and a name. And here I am using the same component to display cities, like the city name and the country name. So these are like types React generic components. You can use this, you can customize this, but it's an overview update. You can go like do anything, make higher component which take bulk different data, and you can display whatever you want. So this was the video for today, and I just started my channel, so I don't have that much videos, but if you want me to upload stuff like this, so I will like expect you to subscribe my channel and give me thumbs up and comments, and you can also tell me what I can make for you, so that will be like a joy for me to help you people. And I like this stuff. I was struggling a lot with them like 1 year ago, and I didn't found enough resources for these, so see you in my next video, and take care. Bye bye.